I'm with DigiNew now for a year, and it's like a dream come true for me because I've tried so many stuff to earn a passive income just to make life a bit easier, but I could never succeed in any of it. When I came across DigiNew, I was skeptic because I didn't want to fail again. And then I went onto the website and I came across the profit share plan video. And then I saw this is something unique. It's not something that I saw in any of the other stuff that I've tried. And then I scrolled a bit further and I came across Belinda's video, and she said something that really grabbed my attention. She said they put God first. And then I knew I want to be here. And I heard about Jesse's dream. He just wants to help normal people like you and me earn that passive income to make life a bit easier. And he's succeeding because he puts God first. And I always get emotional with Marius as well. He's our mentor with marketing. I've learned so many stuff from him. I'm not a marketer, I'm in finance, so marketing is so far from what I'm usually doing. But with all his help, his guidance, and all the mentors are always available. They are there. If you ask a question, they will help you because that is how we learn, asking questions. And then I've got my sister. She's not my real sister, but Erika. I've called her my sister because we've got the same why. Our why is to retire our husbands, and we're gonna sit on the beach one day with our husbands and having a nice time. And that is also our dreams. Our dreams are the same. We just want to have peace and mind, not worrying about money. And everyone is always there to help. That is what I love about DigiNew. It's plain, it's simple, and the company does so much for us. So there's no way, if you are consistent, I have been consistent, so I have been earning every single week, and that is the best part of DigiNew, is getting that money every Friday. If you put the work in, you're going to get your money. So if you are still wondering, what are you doing here? You are at the right place, believe me, because I never knew I can be so successful earning a passive income by just being consistent and sharing my opportunity with other people. Because if you earn the money, you can show it to people as well. That is also what I love about DigiNew. You earn as soon as you start loading your slips or referring a friend or family to DigiNew. That next Friday, you're going to get your income. And that is amazing. And that builds up to something amazing, something that you can use for anything. And that is what I love. It's real money back into your pocket.